This should not be free information. What is going on, guys? This is Nick, and today we're going to be talking about how I find my products, which I always know they sell. Because after my product research, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to make sales for my product, because that's how I go through it. So now I'm going to be taking you step by step of what I do for my product research, okay? It's going to be a very, very valuable video. I really recommend you watch till the end. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're just blowing up lately. We hit like, seriously, we gained like 250 subscribers already this week. It's just crazy. The support has been overwhelming. But yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right in. Alright guys, so I think you all must know this, that if you want to have a really successful store or you just want to make a lot of money, you need to absolutely have a golden product, a really good product. You must have heard this at different places. The reason they call it a golden product is because it has to be a best-selling, high-selling product. And in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can find any high-selling product in any niche, right? So this is a very detailed and valuable guide. You guys are going to absolutely love this. Alright, so first up is deciding your niche, or deciding your hobby, or deciding your product you want to pick. So for example, we want to go for, let's say headphones, right? Let's say I want to find the headphones which are going to sell a lot this week. So we're going to click on, we're going to type headphones. We're going to make the sort by orders, 14,000 orders. So what's the next step is that you go down. And as you guys can see, they have been ordered for the first 2 pages, 2.5, which is not bad. If you have at least 2 or 3 pages of the product being ordered, it's a very good product. And as you guys can see, on the 1st of Jan, it had been ordered for literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6 pages of just orders. So this is a very, very high selling product. I would definitely do it if I was. We're gonna go to Google Images and drop the file and search for this exact same picture. And now you're gonna find links from Amazon, etc. But now we want Shopify links. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type Shopify over here. And here you guys go. You just found some shops which are selling these exact headphones. So we're gonna open all of these shops on the top. As you guys can see, we open all these 4 shops. And this is the secret part, boys. What we're gonna do now, okay, I'm not sexist. This is the secret part, everybody. You're gonna type this code, which I'm gonna be giving you guys in the description. This code is literally gonna bring up all the best-selling products of every Shopify store you visit. So you wanna go on this website, you wanna type /collections, all sort by best-selling, and here you guys go. These guys have these electronics being the highest sold. This person's store's highest selling product is Apple iPhone. He's been selling the iPhone for about $149. Here you go, another shop, funshoppingaddress.com. We're gonna paste the code next to it, and boom, their best-selling product is cute, smart, colorful, interactive fingerlings. So what I usually do is I go on product research, okay, I go on Instagram, and I look for a lot of different ads. So what you guys can do is you can put up your hashtag and your product name. So for example, hashtag bracelet. And as you guys can see, we just found a store who is selling this bracelet over here. So we can literally take their link, okay, paste it in. Boom, we're at their website now, and all you gotta do now is you gotta paste the code I mentioned to you guys right next to their .com. Boom. And there you go. You have their best-selling products one by one listed. And they have the spin to win feature. Or you can just type hashtag free bracelet. There you guys go, free bracelet. Just click on their page. Not their page, sorry. This page. Click on their shop. Once you open their shop, over here on the top left, you want to type the code that I just gave you. Enter. And boom. There you guys go. Now you have their top best-selling products. So this person's best-selling product is the wave ring, and they have the individual beach glass bracelets. And there's just so much you can do with this, guys. You can go on so many different stores, and you can find so many best-selling products and just use them. You go with the top 2, top 3 best-selling products and sell them for a lower price than these guys. And that's exactly how I find so many best-selling products and make so much money. So this way, all you guys gotta do is you gotta type hashtag free ring or free bracelet or whatever you want to type in there. And once again, you're gonna be able to see every single post along with it, right? You're gonna be able to see all these posts. You're gonna see the ring giveaway. You're gonna get a lot of websites. So yeah guys, use this tool. This is a very good tool. I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a lot of sales with this if you use it properly. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video guys. I really hope you guys found some value and learned something new. And if you guys did find some value in this video, make sure you guys subscribe because it really helps me out, and I recommend that because there's so much value to be added in 2018, and we're just blowing up every single day now. Like, we gained like 50 subscribers last night and like 250 this week, so that's just amazing. You guys are just killing it. You can reach me out on Instagram at Nick_ambitious. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section below. I reply to every single comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys later then. Peace out.
Figure out this puzzle in my mind.
Smoke your cigarettes and hide behind your silhouette. I knew you had another man. Knew I should have left. It's something I regret too.